Hi guys, here's Tasio from Vanity Studios, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to do one of the most requested looks that we got from the studio, which is the textured wave doing with the flat iron. Keep on watching. First we're gonna need some heat protecting spray. I like to use the Schwemura one. Volumizing mist for our roots and to create a little bit more grip for the texture. We're gonna need some texturizing spray. I like this one by Sun Ignite. Great, very light texture. Finish the look, some hairspray, some shining spray through the lens and a hair dryer, a flat iron. Alright, let's start. First, we're gonna spray the heat protection throughout all the hair. Don't forget to go all over. The volumizing spray, I kind of love products, so I always use quite a nice amount of product, but use lightweight product. Some people like to use round brush, some people like to use the paddle brush. So for today I'm gonna use a paddle brush. Perhaps next one I'm gonna use a round brush on the next video so we can get very nice shape. But today we just need to dry it smoother and straight. Very important, guys. Always, whenever you are doing your hair and you want to have textured wave, always remember to create a little bit of volume just right on the top, but quite flat and smooth around the face. Also very important, always around the front, drag it forward so you can create this effect, looking like a little curtain framing your face. After drying, make sure that it's fully dried, the hair. We are now going to start using the straightener to create the waves and the texture. I personally like to have the straightener on 185, 180 degrees, just so we don't burn the hair. And depending how confident you are with the straightener, you can go a little higher, which it can be quicker, but not sure if I would recommend. My straightener is ready and I'm gonna start. I like to start with around the face, so you get about a little over an inch. Actually just an inch would be perfect. The first bend I would recommend to go around the eye area. Bend here, in, out, and then in again, and then you have this movement right here. Can you see this sort of S movement? So I would recommend you guys to have a little clip in your hand so you can section the hair and keep doing it. It's like in, flip your hand out, and then in again and let it go. They don't have to be identical because this is textured. Hair is like textured wave, so they actually only have to have nice bounce in the S shape. So when you shake it, just creates the texture and it creates this band around the face. On the back you can make this section a little thicker because it's gonna create even a better effect. Always remember, it's like a motorcycle movement. This is the movement, like when you're accelerating on a motorcycle, but instead of just straight flat, you go on diagonal. So you can create a much more natural illusion. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. The lighter the movement, the better we will look. And as you can see, I put some extensions on her, but any color that you have on your hair underneath, it will be popping through, and it will create even a prettier effect in your hair. And if you're reaching this sort of effect, you're on the right track. The ends always should be a little bit straighter, so it could give a little bit of a cooler effect. Be more done and done, a bit more natural. We go in, flip the hand out, flip the hand again, in, and let it go. I normally recommend to have a light texture spray, like this one by Hair by Sam Ignite. Excellent. It's called Cool Grow, and it's barely that texture, so your hair is gonna feel very much touchable, but it will give you the nice bounce and movement to it, and we're gonna give it that texture. So you can don't be afraid of the products that help you, but always try to aim for a very lightweight product. Another thing that I really like is I'm adding a lot of texture close by the head, close by the scalp. I like to you can work your fingers through the hair, so it can look nice and undone, but always remember that the front has to be a little bit more polished. A little bit spray, you spray the tip of your hand on the inside of your hands, and then you just clean in around the face, just opening up a little. And to finish, a little bit of a shiny spray. I like to use this one, the Crystal Gloss by L'Oreal. And there we have it. Nice textured waves. Nice texture. Of the movement and framing the face beautifully. A nice Zoom call with your family, and you want to look a little bit more like you put a little effort but not too much effort. That is the look. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.